to another wonderful video today. So guys, I want to show you how easily I made almost $50, that's $49 from just trading with my trading knowledge, and also with the use of Binance. So it's quite easy. Binance is the best platform where you can swap. You can swap as large as $10,000 with just $1 fee. Sometimes it goes less below $1 fee. So it's the best place you can swap. You can easily swap from BTC to there are loads of stuff you can swap. So you can just click on trades and click on convert, as you can see, and you can tap on so many coins you can swap, and yeah, that's it. So today I'm just going to show you easily how I made almost $49 in less than 24 hours, just knowing when to buy and sell on Binance. So I need to click on my conversion history of what I've done so far. So on this account, okay, from this account, let me show you what is in my wallet right now. What's in my wallet right now is 3,500. So if you look at my USDT account, you can see right here it is 3,490. All right, so let me show you guys what happened. Yeah, so let me go to convert. I'll just click on this. So now this is my conversion. So now you can see the date clearly. It was yesterday. Today is 5th, so it was just yesterday I deposited 3,000 into this account, and already I've been having somewhere around, you can see 429. Okay, this is, you can see right here, 444 USD. So and plus 3,000, so that's 3,444 USD. All right, so right now you can see the completion above. Okay, now you can see I just swapped 0.242 BTC, which is giving me around 4,490. So remember, I added 3,000 to my 444, and now I have 3,490. So how did that really happen? So right now, this is what I use. I use TradingView. So now I bought Bitcoin at $4,000. So you can see the $4,000 marker here. Let me make use of this. Alright, so you can see the, okay, not clicking, but I can try. Alright, so you can see this. I bought around here $4,000. Actually $4,100 $170 something or so. That was where I bought, and our price moved up to 4,500, and yeah, 4,500. I think it was less than 4,500. So, but not to confuse you, I just to calculate it, this is what I did exactly. So I made around 2.1%. So I made around 2.1%. So if I'm to calculate it to your face, 3,404, 3,444, which is my deposit, times like I said, I made 2 point something percent times 0.02. You can see that $68 right there. So guys, I just made over $68. So now it's $68, okay, times, okay, yeah, plus 3,444, which is my initial deposit. That's 512. And you can see here right now I have on my wallet I have 505. So that's because of some extra charges, and yeah, like $1 or $2 charges, and also because the price of the price fell down a little bit before I changed. But anyways, I made around $49 to $50. So let's say $50 from just trading less than 48 hours. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can make money from Binance. So it's all about knowing when to buy and when to sell. So yeah, I can help you with that. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this wonderful video. Don't forget to like and subscribe also.